Honey, look at this. I bet $2. Nag-ano ako, tingnan natin paano yung maano niya. Wow. Okay. Come on, $2 eh. Come on. Give me a grand. Oh my God. Meron pa tayong 1 spin remaining. Come on. Give me a good one. Come on. Yes. Another 3 spin. Come on. Oh, come on, don't be shy. Come on. One more. Yes. Oh my God. Oh, one more, honey. One more. Magiging ano tayo. Makalunok. Grand. Come on. May 3 spin pa ako. Oh my God. Come on. Give me that grand. Oh. Come on. Budha. One more. Makuha ko na yung grand, guys, na 14,000. Oh. May 2 spins pa tayo. Come on. Oh my God. Wala pa rin. Isang spin na lang. Come on. Give me that, Budha. Oh. Wow, mailap ngayon yung grand. At least malaki, oh. Kuha ko yung free spin. I got a free spin. One more and I was like, oh my God. $210.
That's what you're here for, to win.
Not bad, right?
Okay.
I spend money though. I spend so much money.